Today we'll be doing the last class of autumn. The first line is 1, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is I-A-S-A-S-U on the ring, then is Lyo with double hands. Then after, you stretch out your right hand forward while your left hand is closer to your chest. Now let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's link them playing on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our last class of autumn. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.